In this video, we're going to analyze Motoko's quote from Ghost in the Shell. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
「世の中に不満があるなら自分を変えろ。それが嫌なら耳と目を閉じ口をつぐんで孤独に暮らせ。それも嫌なら」
So today's quote is 世の中に不満があるなら自分を変えろ。世の中 means world. You might know sekai, which also means world, but sekai is often used as the physical world, whereas yononaka is a world with a concept of society or era. Here are some examples with sekai. 世界には7つの大陸がある meaning there are 7 continents in the world. 世界の人口は増え続けている meaning the world population keeps increasing. And here are examples with 世の中。また面接に落ちた。世知辛い世の中だ。meaning I failed a job interview again. It's a hard world to live in. 今の世の中、携帯なしじゃ生きていけない。meaning you can't live without a mobile phone in this world. 2. 不満がある。Following a noun means have dissatisfaction towards something or have a problem with something. なら means if or given, which is used when the speaker sees or hears a particular thing or situation from the listener and explains what to do under the given condition. For example, when you hear someone going to the library, you would say, 図書館に行くならバスが便利ですよ meaning if you're going to the library, the bus is convenient. When you hear that your friend wants to eat ramen, you would say, ラーメンが食べたいなら一蘭がおすすめだよ meaning if you want to eat ramen, I recommend Ichiran. So Motoko hears the guy complaining about the current system and she tells him what to do under the condition, which is that he's got a problem with the world. So, 世の中に不満があるなら means if you've got a problem with the world. 自分 means oneself, so in this context, it means yourself. お is the particle which is used to indicate the direct object of the following verb. Kaero is the imperative form of kaeru, meaning change something. So, Motoko is telling the guy to change himself. Please note that if you use imperative forms in real conversations, it sounds really bossy. So, today's quote, 世の中に不満があるなら自分を変えろ means if you've got a problem with the world, change yourself. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.